अखण्डमण्डलाकारं व्याप्तं येन चराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः।
Namaste and Jai Gurudev, everyone. Before we start, we'll all introduce ourselves. My name is Sean. I'm in 11th grade, and I've been at Boston Skarshala for 8 years.
Namaste and Jai Gurudev. My name is Parth. I've been in Boston Skarshala for 2 years, and I'm in 9th grade.
Namaste and Jai Gurudev. My name is Arif Mandania. I'm a junior in high school, and I've been in Boston Skarshala for 6 years.
Namaste, Jai Gurudev. My name is Rishika and I'm a sophomore. I've been attending Boston Skarshala for 6 years.
Namaste and Jai Gurudev. My name is Stuti and I have been attending Boston Skarshala for 1 year.
Namaste Jai Gurudev. My name is Dwisha. I'm in 8th grade and I've been attending Boston Skar for 7 years.
Namaste Jai Gurudev. My name is Ishita and I've been attending Boston Skarshala for 7 years.
So, before we begin our yajna, we need to understand what a yajna is. We all know the dictionary definition of a yajna, where we offer material things into a fire. But what is a true yajna? A true yajna is where we do self-sacrifice for some noble purpose. When we do something to make a difference, or when we do something for the greater good, then we are doing our personal yajna.
There are many different types of yajnas. If you sacrifice your time for someone, that is your Samvedhan yajna. If you help someone, that is your Seva yajna. And when you give someone knowledge, that is your Gyan yajna.
One Krishna says in the Bhagavad Gita, make your life yajna, meaning always contribute to the world to make it a better place. Today's yajna is a ritualistic yajna for all of you, as it is performed to connect you with God.
It is also a Gyan Yajna, as we kids are spending our time giving knowledge to all of you about the yajna. Additionally, it is also a Samvedhan Yajna for all the volunteers, as they are sacrificing their time to make this happen.
Why do we perform ritualistic yajna? Because in ritualistic yajna, we perform rituals which connect us with God. How? Agnidev, the fire god, acts as a medium between us and gods and carries our prayers, chanted as mantras to gods, through its smoke combustion and thermal heat. In turn, gods give us blessings.
Bolo Shri Sadguru Dev Ki Jai.
Dada Guru Ki Jai.
Bhagwati Ma Ki Jai.
Gayatri Mata Ki
Jai.
Let us begin with our Gayatri Yajna. In this holy month of Chaitra Navratri, and we will get manifold blessings on Ma Gayatri. We'll first light the diya and invoke the Deepak Devata, the god of the land. Action. Please light the diya using the box of matches in your plate. Rest of you will sit with your hands folded in prayer form.
Om Shubham Karoti Kalyanam Arogyam Dhanasampada Shatru Buddhi Vinashaya Deepa Jyotir Namostute.
Devayo
परमस्यादिलक्ष्यम् एकं नित्यं विमलमचलं सर्वधी साक्षिभूतं भावातीतं त्रिगुणरहितं सद्गुरुं तं नमामि अखण्डानन्दबोधाय शिष्यसन्तापहारिणे सच्चिदानन्दरूपाय तस्मै श्रीगुरुवे नमः.
Saraswati Vandana. Let us seek blessings of Ma Saraswati, the goddess of speech and knowledge.
सरस्वते नमो नित्यं भद्रकाले नमो नमः वेद वेदान्त वेदांग विद्यासानेभ्य एव च.
Mangalacharanam. Let us now pray that we all see, hear, and speak all that is good, and make God a part of our life to help us be on the path of moksha, liberation. Action. Sit with our hands folded in prayer to receive the blessings of God. As volunteers, sprinkle flower petals. Have the feeling blessings are being showered upon you.
ॐ भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः स्थिरैरङ्गैस्तुष्टुवागुंसस्तनूभिः व्यशेमहि देवहितं यदायुः. तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्.
Pavitrikaranam. God loves everything pure. Let us create purification within us and around us by thinking of Lord Vishnu. Action. Take some water in your left palm and cover it with your right one. Hold your water like this above your belly button, and after the mantra, please sprinkle the water on your head. Now close your eyes and think of Lord Vishnu.
ॐ अपवित्रो पवित्रो वा सर्वावस्थां गतो दिवा यस्मरेत् पुण्डरीकाक्षं सभायाभिर्दरशुचिः. ॐ पुनातु पुण्डरीकाक्ष पुनातु.
Achmanam. Achman means you drink. You'll drink water 3 times to purify our mind, speech, and soul. Action. Take some water into your right hand and drink it at the chant of Swaha. Please do not put the water on your head, as it is for purification and not for blessings.
ॐ अमृतो वसुनमसि स्वाहा. To purify the mind, please drink the water. ॐ अमृता पिधानमसि स्वाहा. To purify the speech, please drink your water again. ॐ सत्यं श्रीमयि श्रीशयधाम स्वाहा. To purify the soul, please drink your water one last time. Wash your hands in the bowl in front of you. ॐ मधुसूदनाय नमः.
Shika Vandanam. The Shika is a jyoti that the Brahmins keep on their head. It acts as an antenna to receive divine energy from God. Let us activate the spot of Shika to receive God's blessings and divine energy during this sacred yajna. Action. Take water in the left hand, dip all 5 fingers in it, and place them on the back of your head at the place of jyoti.
ॐ चतुर्वेदी महामाये दिव्यतेजसमन्विते तिष्ठदेवी शिखामध्ये तेजो वृद्धिं कुरुष्व मे.
Nyasaha. Nyasaha is the act of filling every organ of your body with divine consciousness and purity. Action. Please take some water in the left palm, dip all 5 fingers, and touch each part of the body from left to right, as shown from here. Have the feeling that every part of your body is being filled with divine consciousness and purity.
ॐ वाङ्मे आस्ये
Prithvi Pujanam. Let's seek the blessings of Mother Earth, who gives us food, water, shelter, air, clothes, land, and much, much more, and request her to purify the asana we are sitting on. Action. Take some rice, flower petals in your right hand. After the mantra, offer it to Ma Prithvi on the ground itself.
So you can put the flower petals and rice on the plate, in your plate, and assume that you are offering it to earth.
Om Prithvi Tvarga Loka Devi Tvam Vishnadrika Tvam Chalaya Mam Devi Pavitram Kuruchasanam. Sankalp is a firm resolve to do something. Let us declare that through this yoga, we are making a firm promise to transform our thoughts and be better people. Action. Take some rice, flowers, and a little water in your right hand, and cover it with your left hand while thinking of Lord Vishnu.
Om Vishnur Srimad Bhagavato Mahapurusasya Vishnorajaya Parvatmanasya Adya Shri Brahmano Dvitiye Parardhe Shri Shveta Varaha Kalpe Vaivasvata Manvantare Bhuloke Kronshadvipe Ramnak Varshe Indrakhande Houston Kshetre Keti Nagre Masana Masottara Mase Chaitra Mase Shukla Pakshe Shashti Titho. Everyone please say your name. Namaham Satpravriti Samvardhanaya Dushpravriti Unmulanaya Loka Kalyanaya Atma Kalyanaya Vatavaran Parishkaraya Ujjval Bhavishya Kamana Purtaye Cha Pravar Purushartham Karishye Asmay Prayojanaya Cha Kalashadi Avahit Devata Pujanam Ganesha Pujanam Gayatri Havan Karma Sampadanaartham Sankalpam Aham Karishye.
Now please offer everything in one side of your plate.
Chandan Dharanam. Chandan is very fragrant. Our rishis tell us, do good karma and spread its fragrance everywhere, just like the chandan. Action. Please do tilak with chandan and kumkum on Gurudev and Gayatri Ma, and then on each other with the promise to do good karma.
Om Chandanasya Mahatpurnam Pavitram Papanashanam Apadam Harite Nityam Lakshmir Tishtati Sarvada. Om Bhurbhuvah Swaha Tatsavitur Varenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Om Bhurbhuvah Swaha Tatsavitur Varenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Raksha Sutram.
Please put tilak on each other. Yeah. Om Bhurbhuvah Swaha Tatsavitur Varenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat.
Raksha Sutram. Raksha Sutra is a thread of protection. By tying it, you seek protection of the gods. Raksha Sutra also acts as a reminder that God is happy when we serve others, help others, and fulfill our promises. Action. Raksha Sutra is to be tied on each other's wrist. Married women on their left wrist and rest on their right. Please take some rice in your closed fist while getting the thread tied, and put the other hand behind your head. like this.
All the kids on the right hand, all the men on the right hand, and married women on the left hand. Think of this, and put your other hand behind the left.
Om Bhurbhuvah Swaha Tasyaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat.
ॐ रते दीक्षमाप्नोति दीक्षयाप्नोति दक्षिणां दक्षिणां श्रद्धमाप्नोति श्रद्धया शक्तिमाप्यते
ॐ ये पद्मो बलिराजा दानवेन्द्रो महाबलः तेन त्वां प्रतिपद्नामि रक्षेमाचलमाचल रक्षेमाचलमाचल
Om Bhurbhuvah Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat.
Kalash Pujana. Kalash represents the entire universe. It is believed all gods of the universe in their microscopic form resist inside the symbolic Kalash when invoked and invited. We will chant mantras to invite Varudev and the other gods to come and establish themselves in the Kalash in their microscopic form and shower their blessings upon us. Action. We request the sponsors up front to perform the puja of the Kalash kept in front of you. Rest of us will fold our hands in Namaste and pray to Varudev to come in the Kalash and be ready to welcome other gods in it when we invite them. Please take some rice and flower petals in your right hand.
Om Tattvayami Brahmanavandamana Tada Shaste Yajamano Havirbihi Ahirmano Varuneha Bodhirshvam Samana Ayu Kamoshihi.
ॐ मनो ज्योतिर्जुषितामाजस्य बृहस्पतिर्यज्ञमिमं तनोत्वरिष्ठा यज्ञं समिमं ददातु विश्वे देवस्मादयन् तामो प्रतिष्ठा ॐ वरुणाय नमः ॐ कलशस्य देवताभ्यो नमः आवाहयामि स्थापयामि ध्यायामि गन्धाक्षतः पुष्पाणि धूपं दीपं नैवेद्यं समर्पयामि ततो नमस्कारं करोमि.
Now, our sponsors, please offer the rice and flower petals inside the Kalash along with supati, the durva grass, and the corn. Do a tilak on the Kalash and spread the fragrance of the dhupam. Agarbati, show the light of the deepak with your hand and olive oil from where you're sitting. Now, from where you're sitting, you should offer your namaskars to Varun Dev and Kalash Devata. Now, our sponsors, please offer the rice and flower petals inside the Kalash, along with some supati, the durva grass, and the corn. Do a tilak on the Kalash and spread the fragrance of the dhupam. And use the agarbati to show the light of the deepak with your hand. And all of you, from where you're sitting, please offer your namaskars to Varun Dev and Kalash Devata.
Kalash Prarthana. Now we will pray to the different gods to appear in the Kalash, beginning with Lord Vishnu, then Lord Shiva, and Lord Brahma, the 4 Vedas, the different oceans, and 24 goddesses.
ॐ कलशस्य मुखे विष्णु
Kanthe Rudra Samashita Mule Tvasya Sthito Brahma Madhye Matragana Smrita Kukshaudhu Sagara Sarve Saptadvipa Vasundhara Rigvedo
गायत्री सावित्री शांति पुष्टि करी सदा त्वयि तिष्ठन्ति भूतानि त्वयि प्राणा प्रतिष्ठिता शिव स्वयं तमेवासि विष्णुस्त्वं च प्रजापति आदित्य वसवो रुद्रा विश्वे देवा सवैत्रका त्वयि तिष्ठन्ति सर्वेऽपि यथा कामफला प्रदा त्वत्प्रसादादिमं यज्ञं कर्तुमीहे जलोद्भव सान्निध्यं कुरु मे देव प्रसन्नो भव सर्वदा प्रसन्नो भव सर्वदा Deepapujanam. The flame of the diya always rises upwards, teaching us, do such karmas that we always rise upwards too. Action. Please take some rice in your right hand. At the chant of Swaha, let us offer a few grains of rice in front of the diya as an offering. When you hear the word Swaha, and do Namaste at the end.
Om Agnir Jyotir Jyotir Agni Swaha Suryo Jyotir Jyoti Surya Swaha Agnir Varcho Jyotir Varcha Swaha Suryo Varcho Jyotir Varcha Swaha Om Deepatyavyo Namaha Avahayami Stapayami Dhyayami Tato Namaskaram Karomi
Veda Ahavanam. Now that our Kalash is ready, let us invite different gods to come in their micro forms in the Kalash. Who do we invite first? Always the Guru, as he connects us with God. All the kids, please join along in the prayers of the Guru with your hands folded in Namaste.
Om Gurur Brahma Gurur Vishnu Gurur Devo Maheshwara Gurur Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha Akhanda Mandalakaram Vyaptam Deva Characharam Tatpadam Darshitam Yena Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha.
Now the invocation of Mata Gayatri and all the other gods and goddesses, all the being and the cosmos.
Om Ayatu Varade Devi Tyakshare Brahmavadini Gayatri Chandasamata Brahmayone Namostute. Om Shri Gayatre Namaha Avahayami Stapayami Dhyayami Tato Namaskaram Karomi.
Action. Offer rice and flower petals to the picture of Guru and Mount Gayatri and put it on the side of your plate.
Now,
Offer rice and flower petals to the picture of Guru and Mount Gayatri. Put it on the side of your plate.
now let us all put our hands forward like this to seek the blessings of Ma Gayatri. Please say the prayer along with us.
Om Stuta Maya Vadata Vedamata Prachodayanta Pavamani Dvijana Ayu Prana Prajam Pashu Kirtim Dravinam Brahmavarchasam Mayam Tattva Vrajata Brahmalokam.
Now we will invoke and invite the first worshipped god Ganesha, remover of obstacles. All kids, please join along in any of these next prayers that to the different gods.
Om Ganganapataye Namaha Avahayami Stapayami Dhyayami Tato Namaskaram Karomi. Om Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kuru Me Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada Sarvamangala Mangalye Shive Sarvartha Sadhike Sharanye Tyambake Gauri Narayani Namostute. Vinayakam Gurum Bhanum Brahma Vishnu Maheshwaram Saraswatim Pranamyadau Shanti Karyartha Siddhaye. Mangalam Bhagavan Vishnu Mangalam Garudadvaja Mangalam Pundarikaksho Mangalaya Tano Hari. Tvam vai chaturmukho Brahma Satyaloka Pitamaha Agacha Mandale Chasmin Mama Sarvartha Siddhaye. Shivam Shankaram Ishanam Dvadashabda Chaturvidham Umaya Sahitam Devam Shivam Avahayamyaham. Jayanti Mangala Kali Bhadrakali Kapalini Durga Kshama Shiva Dhatri Swaha Swada Namostute. Saraswati Namastobhyam Varde Kamarupini Vidyarambham Karishyami Siddhir Bhavatu Me Sada. Namastestu Mahamaye Shri Pite Surapujite Shankha Chakra Gadahaste Mahalakshmi Namostute.
We will now do the Navgraha prayer, a prayer to the 9 planets to pacify them for peace in this universe. Brahma Murari Shri Purantakari Bhanu Shashi Bhumi Suto Buddhascha Guruscha Shukra Shani Rahu Ketava Sarve Graha Shanti Kara Bhavantu.
Now we'll do a prayer, the gods of directions, a prayer to Kshetrapals, to protect us from negative energies during this auspicious yajna that is about to start.
Kshetrapala namasyami sarvarisha nivarakan asya yaksya siddhartham pujaya radhitan maya.
Pujitana maya. Gauri Padma Sachi Meda
Savitri Vijaya Jaya Devasena Swada Swaha Mataro Loka Matara Ditya Pushti Sada Tushti Atmana Kula Devata Ganeshena Dhikaheta Riddho Pujascha Sodasha Kirtir Lakshmi Hridir Medha Siddhi Pragya Saraswati Mangaleshu Gajadhascha Saptaika Divya Mataraha.
Now that we have invoked and invited the different gods and goddesses to come and bless us, we'll offer them our respects with devotion by saying Namaha along with me.
Om Siddhi Buddhi Sahitaya Shriman Mahagranadhipate Namaha. Om Lakshmi Narayanabhyam Namaha. Om Uma Maheshwarabhyam Namaha.
Om Vani Hiranyagarbhabhyam Namaha. Om Sachi Pundarabhyam Namaha. Om Mata Pitra Charne Kamlebhyo Namaha. Om Kuladevtabhyo Namaha. Om Ishtadevtabhyo Namaha. Om
सर्वेभ्यो तीर्थेभ्यो नमः ॐ एतत् कर्म प्रधान श्री गायत्री देव्यै नमः ॐ पुण्यं पुण्याहं दीर्घमायुरस्तु
Sodashopachara Pujanam. We will now perform puja of Lord Ganeshji. Gods are not hungry for material objects. All they crave for is our faith, love, and devotion. Action. Let's now perform the 16-step worship ritual by offering various items to God Ganeshji in your puja plate.
Om Sarvebhyo Devebhyo Namaha Avahayami Stapayami Dhyayami Tato Namaskaram Karomi Asanam Samarpayami. Offer flower petals to Ganeshji in form of a cushion to sit on. Padyam Samarpayami. Dip the flower petal in the water to wash Ganeshji's feet. Dip the flower petal in the water to wash Ganeshji's feet. Arhyam Samarpayami. Sprinkle water with the flower petals to wash his hands.
Achmanam Samarpayami. Offer water to drink with a spoon kept in your water bowl. Snanam Samarpayami. Sprinkle water with a flower petal over Ganeshji's head to bathe. Shuddhodak Snanam Samarpayami. Sprinkle water again to rinse off. Once you're done, pick the idol up and wipe him dry with a few flower petals kept in your plate. Wipe him dry with a few flower petals kept in your plate.
Vastram Samarpayami. Offer the circular kalawa, the red and yellow string, over his head as his clothing. It is kept with a white thread. Please offer the red and yellow string over his head. It is kept with a white thread. Don't offer the white thread. Yagyaparitam Samarpayami. Offer the white thread over his left shoulder. Offer the white thread over his left shoulder. Offer the white thread over Tanisha's left shoulder. Gandham Vilipayami. Offer Chandan to do the tilak.
silence. And if you have any question, please ask volunteers. Thank you.
Be careful with the camera here. Don't touch it here. It's going the light to something.
Pushpani samarpayami. Offer flower petals to Ganeshji. Dhupam arghapayami. Offer the fragrance of the dhupa.
Dashayami. Offer the light of the diya with your hand. Naivedyam nivedayami. Offer pieces of gur, jaggery, kept on the plate.
You have pieces of gur, which is jaggery, in your plate. Please offer it to Lord Ganesha.
Tambul pungi falani samarpayami. Offer supari and cloves.
Offer supari and clove kept in your plate to Lord Ganesha. We are doing puja of Lord Ganesha as of now.
Dakshinam samarpayami. We all have bad habits. For example, sleeping late, playing too many video games, eating too many candies, not listening to our parents. Think of which bad habit you would like to give up today and offer it to Lord Ganeshji with your promise to give it up.
So all kids make a promise to your parents that which bad habit you are going to give up today.
Sarva bhave akshatan samarpayami. With all your devotion, offer rice again. Tato namaskaram karomi. Do namaste to Ganeshji and all of the gods.
Do namaste with all your bhavana. Say, God, please accept our prayers.
Swasti Vachanam. We all want to be happy. Let us now chant mantras as prayers to Ganeshji and other gods to give us blessings to all of us, so we do good karmas and we live a happy life.
Om
Gananam tva ganapati gvam havamahe. Priyanam tva priyapati gvam havamahe. Nidhinam tva nidhipati gvam havamahe. Vaso mama aham jani garbhadama tvam jasi garbhadama. Om swasti na indro vridhasvavaha. Swasti na pusha vishvavedaha. Swasti na sakshyo avajishta
the fire and invite Agnidev, the fire god. He carries our prayers to God through the heat of the flame, the smoke, combustion, and sound vibrations. But first, we must ward off any negative energy that might be around us. Rakshavidhanam. We will now offer rice in the 10 directions around us. Let one person stand up holding rice in their left hand and using the right hand to throw the rice in each direction, starting from the east. Please follow along on how we move our hands in different directions.
Everyone, please sit down. But
ॐ पूर्वे लक्षतु वाराः अग्नेयां गरुडध्वज दक्षिणे पद्मनाभस्तु नैऋत्यां मधुसूदनः पश्चिमे चैव गोविन्दो वायाव्यां तु जनार्दनः उत्तरे श्रीपतिरक्षेत् ऐशान्यां हि महेश्वर ऊर्ध्वं रक्षतु धातावो यथोऽनन्तश्च रक्षतु अनुत्तमपि यत्स्थानं रक्षद्विषो ममाद्विदृक् अपसर्पन्तु ते भूता ये भूता भूमि संस्थितः ये भूता विघ्नकर्तार ते गच्छन्तु शिवाज्ञय अपक्रामन्तु भूतानि पिशाच सर्वतो दिशं सर्वेषां विरोधेन यज्ञकर्म समारभे
Agni Sthapanam. Agni, or fire, is a divine force present in nature. With the chant of the mantras, we will invoke and invite Agnidev, the fire god, to seek his blessings. Let us now light the sacred fire and invite the Agni Devata.
Om Bhurbhuvah Swardyavrima Bhumna Prithvi Vavarena Tasyaste Prithvi Devayajani Prishtegi Manat Manadyadadhe Agnem Vyokam Purodadhe Havivaham Babruve Devanasadayadeha Om Agni Namaha Avahayami Stapayami Dhyayami Tato Namaskaram Karomi.
Using the agarbatti, please light the candle.
Let us now pray with our hands folded to invite Lord Agnidev. Let us now pray with our hands folded to invite Agnidev and Savita Devta and seek their blessings.
Mandalam Vidikaram Vishalam Ratna Prabhanti Brahmanirupam Daritya Dukha Shrinakaranam Cha Punadamata Savitur Varenyam
ज्ञान के आदि संचार करता प्रणिपात स्वीकारो हम सभी का पावन बना दो हे देव सविता पावन बना दो हे देव सविता Samita Danam. We will now offer 4 pieces of wood in the fire. The 4 sticks teach us to pursue the 4 goals of a Hindu: Dharma, Artha, Kama, and Moksha. Dharma, to do righteous duties. Artha, to spend our money wisely. Kama, to pursue the righteous desires. And Moksha, to seek liberation from the cycle of birth, death, and rebirth. Action. 4 Samhitas are kept in your puja plate in the form of tulsi sticks. Take the first, hold it in the middle with your ring finger, tall finger, and thumb, and dip both ends in the ghee, and offer it one by one at the sound of Swaha. This will happen 4 times with 4 different mantras. Please say Swaha loudly along with this, as that is your prayer to Agni Dev to accept your offering.
Om Ayatayatma Atma Jadu Vediste Nidhyasva Vargasva Sheta Vardhaya Chasvam Prajaya Pasurvi Brahma Varisena Anagya Samidhaya Swaha Idam Adnaya Jadu Vedise Idam Namama
Om Samidhanindavasyata Krite Bodhayadathim Asmin Havijuhotana Swaha Idam Agne Idam Namama
Om Susamidaya Sochise Kritam Tivram Jahotana Agni Jat Vedase Swaha Idam Agni Jat Vedase Idam Namama
Om tam tva samidbhirangiro घृतेन वर्धयामसि प्रभचोचय विस्कय स्वाहा इदम् अग्नये अङ्गिरसे इदं नमः
We will now create a boundary with water around the lit fire outside the heaven, requesting the fire god Agni Devta to stay within that boundary. Action. Take water in the spoon and put it in different directions as directed from here. Make sure to put it outside the heaven, and please be mindful of the flame of the fire.
Om adite numanyasva iti purve. Offer water in the east. Om anumate numanyasva iti paschime. Offer water in the west. Om sarasvatyanumanyasva iti uttare. Now offer water in the north. Om deva savita prasuvayagyapatim bhagaya divyo gandharva ketapu ketam na punatu vachaspatir vacham na swadatu iti chaturdikshu. Now offer water all around the Agni Kund.
May I request everybody to please maintain silence and focus on puja?
Ajahuti. Ghee symbolizes love. We will make 7 ghee offerings in the fire for 7 different gods to show our love for them and for what they do for us. The first offering is to Lord Brahma. Prajapate, and then Indra, Agni, and more.
Om Prajapataye Swaha. Idam Prajapataye Idam Namama. Om Indraya Swaha. Idam Indraya Idam Namama. Om Agnaye Swaha. Idam Agnaye Idam Namama.
Om Somaya Swaha, Idam Somaya Idam Namama. Om Bhuvaha Swaha, Idam Agni Idam Namama.
Om Bhuva Swaha, Idam Vayave Idam Namama. Om Swaha Swaha, Idam Suryaya Idam Namama.
Gayatri Mantra is a prayer to the cosmic intelligence that governs this universe. We pray to this intelligence to lead our mind, our intelligence, in the right direction, which is symbolized by the words Diyo Yona Prachodaya, action. We will chant the Gayatri Mantra 24 times and offer ahutis into the Havan food with the Havan Samagri kept in your plate. Please take a pinch of Havan Samagri and make a deer symbol like this, and make offerings when you hear the word Swaha. Please say the word Swaha loudly. Also, say Idam Gayatri Idam Namah. It means, Ma Gayatri, everything I offer to you is only yours, nothing mine. Dena Dushko Arva. While chanting, pray for your mind to be in the right direction. And with the Havan Samagri offering, let us also offer our bad thoughts, our anger, or negativity of our mind into the fire. Let's now chant the Gayatri Mantra 24 times.
Om Bhurbhuvah Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat Swaha. Idam Gayatri Idam Namah. Om Bhurbhuvah Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat Swaha. Idam Gayatri Idam Namah. Om Bhurbhuvah Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat Swaha. Idam Gayatri Idam Namah. Om Bhurbhuvah Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat Swaha. Idam Gayatri Idam Namah. Om Bhurbhuvah Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat Swaha. Idam Gayatri Idam Namah. Om Bhurbhuvah Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat Swaha. Idam Gayatri Idam Namah. Om Bhurbhuvah Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat Swaha. Idam Gayatri Idam Namah. Om Bhurbhuvah Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat Swaha. Idam Gayatri Idam Namah. Om Bhurbhuvah Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Now we will say the Mahamrityunjaya mantra 5 times for a long life and our good health.
Nitya
yogya process. Take the sugar in your plate and offer it into the fire after the swaha.
Om yatasya karmano tvairirichan yadvadyunam vihakaram agnishat shrishtkrit vidya sarvam shrishtam suhotam karotu me agne shrishtkrit hutahute sarva prayashita ahutinam kamanam samardaitre sarvana kaman samardaya swaha idam agne shrishtkrit idam namama.
Purnahuti. Purna means complete. We'll now complete the fire ritual by deciding to be complete with positive energy and righteousness. Symbolically, we'll offer a betel nut, a complete fruit, into the fire. Action. One person offers the betel nut kept in your plate. Others will offer the Havan Samagri.
Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnam Udachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate.
Om Purnadari Parapata Supurna Punarapata Vashneva Vikrinam Vaha Ishamurvam Shatakato Swaha. Om Sarvavai Purnavam Swaha. Om Sarvavai Purnavam Swaha.
Vedic Arti. Let's now perform Arti of all the guided gods and goddesses, along with the Agnidev present in the Havan. The significance of Arti is that the knowledge, goodness, and blessings of all the gods in Ma Gayatri are received by all of us. One representative from each group will perform the Arti. Take the diya in your hand and you will perform Arti on Ganesha and on the fire.
Om Yam Brahma Vedanta Vido Vadanti Param Pradhanam Purusham Tathanya Vishvodgate Karanamishparam Va Tasmai Namo Vigna Vinashanaya. Om Yam Brahma Varunendra Rudra Maruta Stunvanti Divyaistave Vedai Sangha Padakramopanisade Gayanti Yamasamagaha Yana Vashishta Tadgatena Manasha Pashyanti Yamayogino Yashyantam Navidushura Shuragane Devaya Tasmai Namaha Devaya Tasmai Namaha.
Shama Prarthana. We'll now offer prayers to the gods, asking for forgiveness if any mistake may have been committed by us during this yoga process.
Om Avahanam Najanami Naiva Janami Pujanam Visarjanam Najanami Shamasva Parameshwara Mantrahinam Kriyahinam Bhaktihinam Sureshwara Yat Pujitam Maya Deva Paripurnam Tadastu Me.
Shubhakamana. Let's now chant prayers for the well-being and happiness of everyone in this world.
Om Swasti Prajabhya Paripalayantam Nyayena Margena Mahim Mahisha Gobrahmanebhya Shubhamastu Nityam Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu Sarve Bhavantu
नमः सर्वे सन्तु निरामया सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखमाप्नुयात् श्रद्धां मेधां यशः प्रज्ञां विद्यां पुष्टिं श्रियं बलं तेज आयुष्यमारोग्यं देहि मे हव्यवाहनम्
Visarjanam. At the end of a yajna, a farewell is given to the gods, to Ma Gayatri, Gurudev, and others who have been invoked and invited to come and shower their blessings upon us. During this special yajna, worship along with a prayer to request them to come again on such future auspicious occasions to shower their blessings. Action. Please take some rice in your left hand and shower on the idol of God Ganesha and the Havan coin.
ॐ गच्छत्वं भगवान् अग्ने स्वस्थाने कुञ्जमद्यतः पूतमादाय देवेभ्यः शीघ्रं देहि प्रसीद मे गच्छ गच्छ सुरश्रेष्ठ स्वस्थाने परमेश्वर यत्र ब्रह्मदयो देवा तत्र गच्छ हुताशन यान्तु देवगणा सर्वे पूजामादाय मामकिम् इष्टकामसमर्थ्यर्थं पुनरागमनाय च
बोलो श्री सद्गुरु देव की जय। गायत्री माता की जय। भगवती माता की जय। दादा गुरुदेव की जय। अपने अपने आनंद की जय। Please don't stand up yet, but our young priests are going to sing a beautiful prayer to Agni Dev. Please close your eyes and listen to this prayer while the volunteers come around to clean up.
रोग पीड़ित विश्व के संताप